big gap.
Not much gap also.
Yeah.
So let me go through all these one by one. Field
Mm.
test engineer, right? So you have to tell, right, as a field test engineer, okay? So
Mm.
I need to collect, okay? I need to uh, test and collect logs. Okay, so you can tell, or else let me. So as an field test engineer, okay, as a field test engineer, right? Okay, I need to test the scenario, and collecting logs. So this will be your right. So for failed scenario or pass scenario, right? If it is a failed, then log analysis, right? Log analysis and finding the bug. This is your role. Okay. Either pass or fail, you need to collect the, you need to do the test and collect the logs. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yes, yes.
Right. So what tools are you might be using? You can tell that you might be using a QXDM or some other tools. You can tell okay, web
Wireshark.
GUI or Amarisoft, okay, previously. Okay, no problem. You can tell, right?
Mhm.
So
Okay.
plan device test, how to plan, right? So how to plan device field test, how you can plan depending on, right, this depending on, okay, depending on my test plan,
Yes.
or you can say
Yes.
test
Yeah.
plan, or my manager's instruction, something you can tell, okay, instructions. Then I need to flash the device, okay,
Mhm.
flash the
Plan.
device, basic
Plan.
configurations,
Mhm.
okay, then start test by right roaming around some base station or something, you can say.
Yeah.
Throughput test, right? So a throughput test you can perform by using the iperf command, okay. Right, so preconditions, right, depending on the right, depending on what you wanted to test, okay,
Mm.
depending on what you wanted to uh, right.
Mm. Mm. Yeah, means what is the expected result from the throughput? That's fine. Only problem that if the throughput is low or something problem, so how?
That we need to see first. We'll
Yeah.
see, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, right. Okay,
Mm.
so how we need to do throughput test? So throughput test can be started, right? First, stepwise, right? First,
Mm.
attach, make a attach. Okay, make
Mm.
a attach, start data call. Okay,
Mm.
data call, right? Start hyper.
Mm.
Okay,
Yeah.
start hyper, depending on your, right, how much data rate you are expecting, right? If you are expecting 1 GB, you start 1 GB hyper. Okay,
Mm.
1 GB, 1 Gbps, or whatever it is, 200 Mbps or 300 Mbps, you start running the right, this one. So preconditions, right, depending on your expectation, right? Precondition is, right, what you wanted to test, whether you wanted to means like a make a attach, start data perf, and right, right. So basic configurations. Okay, basic configurations you have to do. Right, basic configurations.
Mm,
Right, before starting this, you have to do basic configuration. Then, right, observe the throughput. Observe the throughput. Okay, observe the throughput.
mm.
By right a PDCCH and a PDSCH. Okay.
Okay, sorry. Basic configuration, observe throughput. Hi. Oh yeah, how we observe throughput by
Throughput window.
throughput? Yeah, correct. Like in QXDM, we have throughput window.
Either a
Then through.
throughput window or throughput window, or right in the logs that will give you a throughput. In logs also, you can see the throughput. Okay.
In log, where
Mm.
we see the throughput? It's like
I
that one.
forgot that script. Yeah, I think throughput window. I forgot.
Okay, no problem.
So the what's name is something. It was something. There is a strip. Okay, a snip. With that we can. Um, okay. So observe the throughput. Okay, throughput window. Okay. So then assess right what you are receiving. Right, what. So what you observe the PDCCH. Okay. And PDSCH throughput. First, see, we always need to go through PDSCH. PDSCH, you can decode the PDSCH for the throughput. Okay. You need to check
Okay.
both the throughputs, right? So PDCCH throughput, you need to check. Okay. So you can either check QCAT. Okay. Or you can check in the Apex, right? I was calling. I don't know.
Okay.
People
No, not on the QXDM.
right, QHDM, these are, see, Apex, okay, Apex, QCAT, okay, Apex and QCAT, these are, right, easy to understand, human readable form, easy
Okay.
to understand. Means like this will convert the QXDM log to easy
Okay.
format, easy to
Okay.
understand.
Mm.
Got my point. So people, most of the people in Qualcomm, they don't use these things, Apex or QXD, QCAT. Directly people will write, create a Windows and directly they can see. They need not to go through this. Of course, most of the people use and for the precision and easily, for the easy purpose. Some people, they don't see. So you need to see the PDCCH throughput and you need to see the PDSCH throughput and you observe here. Right, PDCCH will give you the box like this and it will shows you what MIMO you have configured, right, what CA you have configured, right, what band you have, means like how many RBs are assigned. Okay,
Okay.
RBs to assigned, RBs to assign, okay, RBs assigned to a particular user. Okay. So MIMO, right? How whether you have seeing means like preconditions. Preconditions means here preconditions also he asked, right? Preconditions that what your expectation, right? Your device capability, right? Whatever the device you are checking, right? What is the category? Right, category, what is the category number? So based on the category number, right, what kind of MIMO it is, what is the MIMO it supports, what is the CA it supports, right, what bandwidth it supports, right? So these are preconditions. Okay, you need to check what is the modulation scheme it supports, right, whether 256 QAM it supports, right? So these are all you need to draft, right, based on the category. So for example, category 11 is there, category 12, now category 19, 20, right, even 21 category are running. Okay, got my point. 21 categories are running. Okay. So now categories, right, means like based on this, and which release, right? Which release it falls under, which release it falls under, and the number of layers, how many layers, right? You are expecting means like device category. You should. This is the precondition. Okay, what category you are using and what is these are you are expecting. Okay, then you need to see these are my expectations, right? So when you are decoding, right, throughput, so what is the throughput, expected throughput for this all expected throughput. So whether you are expected throughput is expected throughput is what, whether 1 GB or 2 GB, right, 2 GB or 1 GB, right, or something. So now you have to test it, right? You are testing what is the PDCCH throughput, what is the PDSCH throughput. If it is, for example, you are seeing, right, 2 Gbps, right, maybe 3%, 3 to 5% is okay. Mostly actually 2 to 3% is okay. Okay, dip in 2 to 3% is acceptable. Okay, but more than that is not more than 5% is not acceptable. Okay, so these are the preconditions. So now you are testing, but here it is your expectation is somewhere 2 Gbps, but your mobile is showing only 1.5 Gbps. Okay, 1.5 Gbps. So then how can I do? Right. So now, right, what might be the reasons? You need to check the PDCCH, right?
Hey,
Always.
one 1 minute. Actually, we here get the two throughput like PDCCH and PDSH.
Yes. So means what is the control throughput and what is the user throughput,
Data through.
right?
So, what
Control
is the
throughput.
expected?
See, this is expected user
This
throughput.
is okay. So, but how much the ideal value means like normal value means like this throughput
That's
is
what. See, my
okay.
expectation is 2 GB, right?
Uh,
2 to
mm,
3% is okay. Means like
mm,
around 1.9 GB, more than 9
okay.
is
Mm,
okay. Maybe
mm,
1.9 or 1.95 is okay
mm,
somewhere.
mm,
Okay,
mm,
1.9 is okay, but 1.5 is not okay, right?
mm, mm.
1.5 is not okay. You are doing now. You need to inspect the PDCCH. What are the allocations from the base stations? Your
Okay.
mobile is having this one, right? How many RBs are assigned to you, right? Then
Mm,
how many layers are activated? How many layers are activated? How many CA activated? Right? What is
mm.
the MIMO activated? Right? Everything for every information will be there here. Okay.
In PDCCH window, you get this window, right?
Correct. All the resources, right?
Okay, got it.
What is
Yeah.
the TX1 throughput? You will see what is TX1 throughput, what is TX2 throughput. You can see these are all. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now
TX1
I
is
understand.
what is 3 TX2, and what is
Mm,
the if it is a 4x4 MIMO, you can see TX3, TX4 also.
mm.
Got my point.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah. So basically, if any problem, then we are looking for PDCCS parameters. Okay, these parameters we mentioned, and
Mhm.
on the basis of that, we can analyze that what is the exactly problem in throughput, right?
Hmm. Right. See, I expected 2x2 MIMO, right?
Hmm.
But I am not seeing only I'm expected 4x4 MIMO, but only 2x2 MIMO is
Hmm.
activating. Then it may not be a no. You need to check the base station logs, right? What kind of base station it is, whether 2x2 is 4x4 is available at the base station or not. But your mobile supports 4x4, mobile base station supports 2x2, then definitely it is expected thing only. Data rate
Okay.
tip is expected only. Your mobile supports 5 CA, okay,
Hmm.
but your
Hmm.
base station supports only 3 CA. Then in this case, right, even though capability, your mobile is capable of 5 CA, but only 3 CA is activating, then definitely there is a dip expected, right?
So 5 cm is the carrier aggregation you're telling
Correct,
about
5
5
carrier.
or
Five
okay, 5.
carry means
Okay.
example. So
Hmm.
right, so means like depending on these parameters you need to check. So how much bandwidth is assigned? Okay,
Hmm.
less bandwidth is expected, less throughput only. right? Less layers expected, less throughput only. So your expectation as per the category number, you are seeing your expectation is like at least 8 layers, but here maybe 6 layers only activated. 6 layers.
Sorry, in this, what are the layers?
Means like a virtual transmission, it can be.
Uh, oh,
Okay,
hmm,
got my point.
not clear.
I'll means like it is a little big concept.
Okay, fine. Just no problem. Just maybe you can explain within 1 minute or 2 minutes, not much more than this. It means like, oh, I need to just understand what is exactly. Yeah, can or is fine, no problem.
Yeah, we can go through actually by creating
Okay,
a why by creating a like spatial layers. It is not, see, bandwidth is
okay.
always fixed. Okay, I cannot do anything. If you remember
Hmm.
MIMO
Hmm.
SU MIMO, right? SU MIMO, MU MIMO.
Yeah, yeah, correct.
So in this all case, right, I can do one thing, that I can create a virtual layers.
Oh, it's related to my layers. Okay. Hmm.
Correct.
Hmm.
Virtual MIMO. See, definitely always the physical bandwidth is only, right, fixed. This physical bandwidth is fixed. I cannot
Hmm.
do anything. But by
Yeah.
creating a more and more ports, right? More and more ports, I can have a multiple layer structures like this. Okay. So
Hmm.
this will help you to provide the like extra path, extra path.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
extra diversity, right? Diversity by using
Hmm.
diversity
It's,
by using
hmm.
software.
Okay, got it. Means we are creating more combinations like that.
Correct.
Okay, got it. No problem. Yeah.
See, antenna, right? We do have two things. One is a main lobe. So this is a main lobe. These are
Hmm.
side lobes, right?
Yeah.
Side lobes. So generally, right, if layers, if no layers, power will be pumped through this. If layers
Hmm.
are there, right, making these also to transmit, making these also to transmit, so that if this is my best mobile, right, this reaches in a different direction, this reaches different direction, this reaches a different direction. But it is like a virtual concept. I cannot say this is 20 megahertz, this is 20 megahertz, this is 20 megahertz. If this is
Hmm.
physically available, then nobody purchase the bandwidth from the government.
Yeah. Correct.
So means like a virtual phenomena. See, even if, right, one PC is connected to another PC. Okay,
Hmm.
one PC is connected to another PC.
Hmm.
Okay, one PC is connected to another PC. There
Hmm.
will be a TCP port, UDP port, RTP port, RTCP ports, right? Port level communication. But physical is only wire. One
Yeah.
PC to another PC, Ethernet only one wire only. But when it
Hmm.
comes to protocol, multiple protocol means like multiple port communication will happen. Correct or not?
Yeah. Yeah. Correct.
So like that here by creating a multiple ports, right? So let me show you that also for better understanding. Let me share. So let me proceed like this. Okay. So here you can, okay. So you can see here. Okay. So these are by creating multiple antenna ports. Okay, I can have a multiple layered transmission. So this will help increasing a data rate. So it look like so like this. Okay, by creating right, by creating different layers, only one base station only, but creating a 4 layers and assigning a 4 layers to a single UE can increase the user throughput. So by creating multiple layers like 4 layers and assigning 4 users, these 4 layers to 4 users can increase the system throughput.
Okay.
Okay, got my point.
Yeah, correct.
System throughput. So, but just creating a layers like this. Creating a layers like this and assigning to different maybe missing somewhere. So like this. So this can be given. Means like physical bandwidth only one thing. Physical bandwidth only one only. Okay. So
Yeah.
these are like a software manipulation, you can say. Okay, so these are always this will gives you look. Let me show you another picture for better understanding. With layers and without layers, how it will help. Now you can see single layer here, single layer. Okay, it look like this. So write 2 layers, layer 1, layer 2 means like this travels like this and this travels like this, so that SINR will be increases here. SINR will be low.
Yeah.
So that is the usefulness of by creating means like it will provides you the extra diversity reception. Clear? Okay.
Yeah.
Extra.
No, understand clear. No problem.
Now you are able to understand, right?
Yeah.
Just a minute. Right. So means like you need to check all these parameters. Okay. You need to check all the parameters. What you are expecting, what was expecting, what was built inside the mobile and how it is acting. So from the base station also you need to see whether base station transmitting all these things or not.
Okay.
Either you can say this is a PDSCH packet, okay, channel or channel packet, or you can say a throughput window.
Throughput window. Yeah.
So preconditions expected, right? Just we have seen that what is the category. So based on the category number. Okay. So what is the category number of this UE?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. Then how do you know carrier aggregation, right? CA. Right. Carrier aggregation. You can see band combination for CA. Okay. Band combination for CA. Okay. Band combination means what are the bands activated, you can check. Okay. How many bands are activated? And there will be a SL. There is a parameter called SL. Okay. SL index. Okay. SL index. With this SL index, you can identify. With this SL index, you can identify. You can identify band combination means SL. You can identify with the SL index means how many CAs are activated. So whether 2 CA activated or whether 3 CA activated. So this SL index number will tell you,
So
number.
that this SL index, where it comes?
In the log only, right? So Mac C, it acts as a
Which message exactly?
Mac
What one?
C itself is a Mac C.
Maxi.
Mac C.
Okay. So
Okay.
Maxi, we get the
Hmm.
the SL
Fine.
index,
SL, secondary cell index.
second SL index. So
Hmm.
here we get the how many carriers are reporting or support this. No, that is in new capability information.
Correct. First that's what
Hmm,
category
hmm,
number tells you, right? UE
hmm,
category tells you how
hmm.
many how many carriers it supports.
Oh, okay. Category. Okay.
Okay. How
Hmm,
many categories it supports.
hmm.
Sorry, how many carriers it supports. So in the
Okay.
UE capability information, based on that, right, you will have some idea. Means like if throughput is not meeting, what
Hmm,
is your supported CA by the UE? What are all activated? So what was expected? For example, your mobile supports 3 CA. Now you
hmm,
check, this is precondition, right? 3 CA
hmm,
supports, you know that.
hmm,
But
hmm,
while testing, what is the SL index activation? Okay. How
hmm,
much activated? So 3 SL index, right? SL index should be a 3, right?
hmm,
Right. Means like actually SL index will be 2 only because one P cell plus 2 S
hmm.
cells. So this becomes 3 CA. So you will see SL index 2. So if you find that SL index 2, which means 3CA is activated. But still, what is the MIMO? Means like as per this, you are confirming that my mobile supports 3CA and my during the test, my UE is able to see 3CA.
Okay. And that's in the Mac IE.
Maxi.
C.
That is
Okay.
a message.
Message. Okay.
Okay, Mac.
So this is on the Mac layer, right? We
Correct.
can identify on the Mac
Exactly.
layer. Okay.
Exactly.
But when we are the measuring logs, I think there is some windows in QXDM. We can see the CA information there, or we have to only
We can
see
see
the.
same CA combination means SL will tell you, SL
Hmm,
index will tell you whether how many CS are activated at the UE or not.
hmm, hmm. Okay.
Okay.
So we
Even
can
you
able
can
to.
directly
Hmm,
you can search SL index in the QXDM. There is a search window. It
hmm.
will shows you how many activated, how many are not activated. Straightforward.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Got it. So we get the SL index means how many carrier aggregation are supporting,
Correct.
but
So you
what
see,
are the bands?
you have to match the preconditions,
Hmm,
okay, and
hmm,
test conditions, right?
hmm,
So means I am expecting preconditions are expected result,
hmm,
right? Testing real result.
hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
clear,
Yes.
fine.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. Yeah, but here, yeah, three C are supporting, but which C means like which band? So where I get the band information?
Bandwidth, PDCCH only.
No, the
PDCCH will
bands like 1800, which band 12, band 8, thing like that.
that will you will get in a Cebu one only, right? Downlink band you will get a Cebu one. Okay.
Okay, okay,
Cebu 2 you will get uplink band.
okay. So Cebu1, I get all the bands which are
So DL
supporting.
band you will get in Cebu 1, UL
Hmm.
band you will get in Cebu 2.
So if I answer that, I will get the C from the Cebu1 is incorrect.
Sorry?
If I got the question like where you identify the CA information. If I say I can identify from the SIB1 messages, that answer is correct or no?
No. SIB1, CA you cannot identify from SIBs. Okay.
Okay.
See whether how many CA supported. How many CA supported means UE
Hmm.
capability information
Yeah, correct.
info.
But that one is the capability information, means like how
Capability.
many UV supported.
Activated means, right? So this is our precondition. You need to check.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Then test, right? Test result. Okay. Max CE SL index.
Hmm.
Okay. Got my point.
Okay. Okay.
Max
Okay.
CE SL index. SLI actually. So either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. So this depends the number of CEs.
Hmm. Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So layer information also, you will find this layer information in PDCCH. You will get, right, all RBs, number of RBs, right, number of MIMO, right, then other information.
Yeah. Well, last time as we discussed it previously. Yeah.
So that you have to go through all these parameters, right? What is the means modulation scheme? Okay, what is
Hmm.
the modulation? Then what is the um, right
So in
layer?
5G, we are using the only till 256 QAM or more
Yes,
than.
yes. People are testing even 1024 QAM also. It depends, right? That's what I'm
Okay.
saying, right?
Hmm.
So which network you are using and this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, not pretty much clear because yeah, I am mostly confused that what is this PDCCH and PDCH, but now I clear
Hmm.
that is the signal and data throughput. So yeah, another question like that mostly asks that which throughput you consider, the MAC layer or something. There is another one. So what I answer that question?
Which one?
Which throughput we consider, like on MAC layer or something? There is another one.
All are important one. See, physical
Okay,
layer, people will see our important is a physical layer first.
physical layer.
Okay.
Okay.
Physical layer throughput is generally called a throughput. But if you are not seeing a proper throughput, physical layer throughput is not good, then you need to check MAC. Then you need to check RLC. You need to check PDCP also.
Okay.
So
Okay.
if this, see, if these layers pass correct values, this will get a correct value. Okay,
Hmm.
if PDCP means like if PDCP, then IP layer. If IP layer is sending a small packets, right? How can you expect a higher data rate here in physical layer?
Hmm. Yeah. Understood.
Hmm?
Yeah.
If PDCP throughput is right, definitely low, then this will
Hmm.
low. So that you need to verify what is the MAC throughput, what is the RLC, PDCP, is there any drop? So let us take from PDCP to RLC, no drop.
Hmm.
No PDCP drop, no throughput drop.
Hmm.
But from here to here, some seeing drop. Okay, then you
Hmm.
have to analyze the parameters accordingly.
Hmm. Okay.
Hmm?
Okay. Fine.
Fine.
Yeah.
So like that, you have to right means like uh, based on the
Frequent.
test, you have to proceed.
Yeah. 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 Understand.
Based on the question, you have to answer.
Yes. Yeah. And we cannot troubleshoot any because we just identify the parameters and say that because of this one is less throughput, but we cannot change anything because it's network.
Hmm. Just a minute. Just a minute. Actually, I started today one practical session. One guy has asked.
Hmm.
So at 7 p.m. I scheduled some practical session. So can we
Okay.
close today? Can we see tomorrow a little bit?
Yeah, absolutely fine. That's fine, no problem. I will just revise this what we discussed.
Huh.
So yeah,
We can connect tomorrow little early.
yeah. Tomorrow I'll connect exactly after 10:30 or
Huh.
morning 10. Hmm?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Right.
Can you send me this recording? So maybe
How to send here? This is a little big,
bigger.
lengthy.
Then uh, any
Oh, I'll check. I'll check. How can I?
yeah, check because during revise I need to see our discussion or
Sure, 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 sure.
anything diagram
Uh,
or something like that. It will help me
okay,
because
okay.
after that I will just revise and make the notes so I can understand clearly.
Okay, fine, fine. I'll
Yeah. Just-
some
Or the
Airbus people.
or
Oh.
Telegram we can.
No, I need to create a database and I need to give you access to that.
Oh, okay.
So, because this should not go public, right? You
Yeah.
should be able to use it.
Uh, correct, correct. Mm,
Fine,
yeah.
I'll try. I'll try. By
Yeah.
tomorrow, I'll give you.
Yeah. Please. Yeah.
Okay, right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.